The wee top cap, is that tight? No comment. Season's lighters. Double leading. But I can show you with one hand. Here too. Standard. Glazed like a donut. Oh, this is gonna be a pain in the hole to get this out. Somebody asked for something sketchy. Woohoo! Oh, we're making noises. I was able to get pressed far enough down to get this bit out. Now I need to get that bit out. And it this way. And hope for a ping. Completely wrong way. This hit the hole. People wonder why I don't give them exact prices, because it's like shit like this you have to do. That worked. My goodness. Here we go again, ×2. Like, you're supposed to be able to see a clip in there. Like, I'm leaning on it. Solid. Oh, now this one again.
Holy fuck.